Are you glued to learning new things every day? Welcome to Tell Me More, the channel in which you will find crazy facts about anything that you can imagine. Stay tuned. Today, we will be describing 10 facts about ice cream. Ice cream is a frozen dessert made from cream, milk, sugar, and flavorings. It is a popular treat around the world and has a long history dating back to ancient civilizations. Now let's dive into the 10 most interesting facts about ice cream. Number 10. The earliest recorded recipe for ice cream dates back to the Roman Empire. It was made by combining snow, which was collected in the mountains, and stored in underground ice houses with fruit juice and honey to create a frozen dessert. Number 9. Back then, the ice cream was once considered a luxury item and was only served to the wealthy. It wasn't until the invention of the ice cream churn machine in the early 1800s in Philadelphia that ice cream became more widely available to the general public. The churn allowed ice cream to be produced more efficiently, making it more affordable and widely available. Number 8. Ice cream was once considered a health food. In the 18th and 19th centuries, doctors often recommended ice cream as a digestive aid and a way to cool down the body during hot weather. It was believed that the cold temperature of the ice cream helped to soothe the digestive system and improve digestion. In addition, ice cream was often recommended as a way to combat heat stroke and other heat-related illnesses. Number 7. Vanilla was one of the first ice cream flavors to be introduced, and it was invented by the Aztecs all the way back in the 1500s. This flavor still remains the global favorite today, with 29% of the world's population picking it as their first option. Number 6. The first ice cream shop in America was opened in New York City in 1776 by a man named Philip Lindsay. Ice cream quickly became a popular treat in the United States, and by the early 1800s, there were numerous ice cream shops in cities across the country. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Number 5. Guess what's the country with the most ice cream consumption in the world? New Zealand, followed by the US and Australia. In New Zealand, each person consumes an average of 28 liters per person per year, versus 20 in the US and 18 in Australia. The country with the lowest consumption is India, with 0.1 liters per person per year. Number 4. Did you know that it takes an average of 50 licks to eat a single scoop of ice cream? This number can vary based on the size of the scoop and the size of the person's mouth. Number 3. The world's largest ice cream cone was made in Italy in 2011. It weighed over 8,000 pounds and was nearly 15 feet tall. It was made with over 4,000 liters of ice cream and 1,500 liters of chocolate. Number 2. The J-cone is a popular ice cream cone in South Korea that has gained popularity in the US as well. It is designed to solve the problem of overstuffed and leaky cones by providing an even distribution of cones to ice cream. The cone is sturdy enough to hold up to the ice cream and prevents cracks or leaks. It is also visually appealing, making it a popular choice for Instagram photos. One of the benefits of the J-cone is that it allows eaters to take their time enjoying the ice cream without worrying about the cone falling apart. Number 1. Some ice cream flavors are made with unusual ingredients, such as black sesame, avocado, and even lobster. These flavors are often found in artisanal ice cream shops and are not as widely available as more traditional flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And what about you? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Tell us in the comments section. That's all about ice cream. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on post notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.